Our journey to the stars didn't start with rockets. It began with curiosity. Thousands of years ago, ancient astronomers mapped the heavens, believing the stars were divine. Then came science. Thinkers like Galileo and Newton gave us the physics to understand the cosmos. But the real leap forward arrived in the 20th century, when dreamers turned ideas into powerful engines. The year was 1957. The Soviet Union launched Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite to orbit Earth. That tiny metal sphere changed everything. Suddenly, space became the new battlefield of the Cold War. In 1961, Yuri Gagarin became the first human in space. 8 years later, the United States answered with history's most iconic moment. That is one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. When Apollo 11 touched down on the moon, it wasn't just an American victory, it was a human triumph. For the first time, our species stood on another world. But after 6 lunar missions, the dream quieted. Funding dropped, and public interest faded. The stars waited in silence. Then came a new era, defined by cooperation instead of competition. The International Space Station became a symbol of unity, a laboratory orbiting Earth, shared by nations. The Hubble telescope revealed galaxies billions of light years away, expanding our view of the universe. And robotic explorers like Voyager, Curiosity, and Perseverance carried our imagination to the very edge of the solar system. Now, a new chapter begins. Private companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic are redefining space travel. NASA's Artemis program is preparing to return humans to the moon and build a permanent base there. Meanwhile, Mars is no longer just a fantasy. Rovers explore its red sands today, paving the way for the first human footsteps tomorrow. For the first time in history, we're not asking if we can live beyond Earth. We're asking when. Space is no longer the final frontier, it's our next home. Our entire history of exploration, from Columbus to Armstrong, was just the beginning. Now our destiny stretches across the solar system, and maybe one day to the stars themselves. Because to explore is human, to dream is human. And our greatest story, the story of life beyond Earth, is only just beginning. Thanks for watching. If you're as excited about the future of space as I am, hit that subscribe button and join the journey.